If you're driving down the road and you stop at a red light or a stop sign and you kind of look at the signage and the things around, you'll see bands wrapped around the pole. There's probably an 80% chance that that's a Bandit product. My name is Paul Lee and I'm a distribution manager for Bandit. I'm really proud to be a part of Bandit. Bandit's been around since 1937. We're almost a 90-year-old company. American steel, manufactured in Denver. We've been in that building for almost 88 years and ship domestically and all over the world. We're essentially everywhere. From subsea to space, we provide banding, American steel clamps, bands, buckles, ID tags, energy downhole, automobiles, we do side airbag, anything that's steel related, Bandit is there. Well, anybody watching today has probably used this banding tool. It's been around, it was one of the original products designed by the owner of Bandit, and it's still valid today. It's still one of the standard banding tools that we use. We also have our Ultralock tool, probably our strongest banding system. It's got quarter hard steel. It's very strong, powerful banding lock for sign and pole. When we're talking about a pole, they can't drill in, they can't use other conventional hardware. They can wrap it, it makes it more flexible, it doesn't decrease the integrity of the pole. Plus we have a new mechanized version of this. It's a drill accessory tool. Provides the same service, but it's mechanized and a little bit easier for the user. It's attached to a drill with a clutch version. And we have a new buckle that I'm going to also demonstrate. So these are designed for ear lock type buckle attachments. And so we have a true lock buckle that has a tensioning arm that's set off to the side. So as you tension that band, that arm will actually pull in parallel with the buckle. Then you know you've got the proper tension. Instead of the whole tool, it's a nose rollover. Makes it easier for the user, make your cut, and then you're out. And it just makes things a lot faster. With the clutch setting, you can use the true lock buckle to measure the tensioning spot. You can align it with the clutch setting. So once you have that done, you just basically run into the clutch. You don't have to watch the band feed through. You don't have to feel for the tensioning. The clutch is going to pop right when it's at the proper tensioning. So it makes life a lot easier for the user.